Okay, so this is our spatial lesson using Mapbox. So the data that you can grab at the start of this session, so if you can open module 2 in the start, this just has all the data that we'll be using already in there. The source is here. It's from the Victorian crash stats data in Australia. We will also be using Mapbox a lot in this module, so I do have a base map already pre-built that we can use, choropleth details that we can use as well, the polygon that builds that, and also I have school data from every school in Victoria, and we're going to put that on our base map in the session. So if you can download all of them and have them ready, and we can get started. Now we have 3 tables in this data set, or in this model. We have accident data, atmospheric condition, and node. So I'll just give you a quick overview of what's in those. So in the accident table, it is just a record of every accident and information about the accident type, the day of the week. There's a condition description, how many people were involved in the accident. Atmospheric condition just has some weather data, and the node, which is important for us, has the latitude and the longitude, which we will use for our maps. It also has the local government area as well. And the model looks like this. So we have an accident. It's our main table, and the fact tables over the side is we have the node with the location data and some atmospheric condition data.